A special thank you to each of our subscribers who make this channel possible. Here's today's story. In a dramatic turn of events in the nation's capital, the political landscape of Washington, D.C. is heating up as Attorney General Brian Schwalb has initiated a lawsuit against the Trump administration. This legal action, filed in federal court, challenges the constitutionality of President Trump's recent executive actions aimed at taking control of the Metropolitan Police Department, MPD. The controversy revolves around the assertion of federal authority over local law enforcement, a move that many argue undermines the district's right to self-governance. Schwalb, a Democrat, expressed his concerns in a statement, asserting that the administration's actions are not only unconstitutional, but also pose a significant risk to the safety of D.C. residents and visitors. He emphasized that the takeover represents a grave threat to home rule, a principle that has governed D.C. for decades, and vowed to fight against what he termed an abuse of power. The lawsuit comes on the heels of President Trump invoking Section 740 of the D.C. Home Rule Act, which allows for direct federal control over the MPD, a move that has sparked outrage among local politicians and residents alike. Trump's directive also included the deployment of National Guard troops to bolster law enforcement presence in the city, a decision he described as necessary given the current public safety emergency. This city will no longer be a sanctuary for illegal alien criminals, Trump declared, promising integrated cooperation across all levels of law enforcement. The situation escalated further when U.S. Attorney General Pam Bondi announced that DEA Administrator Terry Cole would serve as the Emergency Police Commissioner for the MPD, effectively sidelining Chief Pamela Smith, who has been a proponent of diversity, equity, and inclusion (DEI) initiatives within the department. Bondi's order not only removes Smith from command, but also revokes several standing orders, including one that allowed D.C. officers to collaborate with federal immigration authorities. This has ignited a fierce debate about the balance of power between local and federal authorities, with critics arguing that such a takeover is a blatant overreach. The case has now been assigned to Judge Ana Reyes, a Biden appointee known for her previous rulings against the Trump administration. As the legal proceedings unfold, the implications for D.C.'s governance and law enforcement policies hang in the balance. This unfolding drama is not just a local issue. It has national ramifications as it highlights the ongoing tensions between federal and local governance, especially in a city that has long been a focal point of political power struggles. The outcome of this lawsuit could set a significant precedent for how federal authority is exercised in local jurisdictions, particularly in matters of public safety and law enforcement. As this breaking news story develops, it promises to keep the political community on edge, with updates expected as the case progresses through the courts. The stakes are high, and the implications for D.C. residents and the broader political landscape are profound. Stay tuned for further updates as this story continues to evolve. That's all for this story. We upload videos every day covering many different subjects, so hit that subscribe button to stay informed. Thanks for watching.